Hey there. Ever wondered how holograms are changing our world? Let's dive in. First up, what's a hologram exactly? It's a three-dimensional image created by light patterns. You've probably seen holograms in concerts, like those famous performances by Tupac and Michael Jackson. They're also popping up in interactive displays, making our sci-fi dreams come true. So how do holograms actually work? It all starts with recording light patterns using laser beams. Imagine this: two laser beams intersecting, creating an interference pattern. One beam lights up the object while the other acts as a reference. When these beams meet on a special recording material, they capture the object's 3D image. Now this part's cool because of light diffraction and phase. The recorded image can be viewed from different angles, making it appear three-dimensional. So when you move around a hologram, it looks like the image is really there in all its 3D glory. But holograms aren't just flashy party tricks. They're changing the game in various fields. In entertainment, holographic concerts and movies are taking visual experiences to the next level. Education benefits too. Imagine learning about the human body with life-sized, interactive holograms. And in medical imaging, holograms provide detailed 3D views of organs, helping doctors make more accurate diagnoses. The potential of holograms is mind-blowing. They could revolutionize how we see and interact with the world around us. So, next time you spot a hologram, remember, you're witnessing the future of visual experiences. Thanks for watching, idiot. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing tech insights. Catch you next time.